we say, may he fare well till we meet again, and may Gerald's soul rest in eternal peace, and peace to the entire family. It is now my pleasure to invite my colleague, CS Mutahi Kagwe, the CS for Agriculture and Livestock Development, to deliver a message of condolence from our boss, His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto. Karibu sana, Waziri.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, the clergy, always a pleasure, Pastor Wanje, Senior Pastor. Family, ya bare ya ngayo, muri inyuothe. Adwa ihururu, na ageni yari othe matugeneire. God is good, and all the time. Asante sana, thank you very much, my colleague, CS Miano, for welcoming me. But before I read the President's message, let me also say one or two things. The first one is to say that I knew Gerard, and he wasn't the first person I knew in this family, because it is a family that I know well, all the way from Daktari, and I know that I hear in my absence, Wamumbi was claiming that some rights about being clever and going to Muranga. I want to tell you that it started with Dr. Ngayo, and then me before you. So usifikiri uko mbele sana, wewe come slow. Kuja pole pole. Kwa hivyo is to say that I have known this family for really a long time. Both the wider family of the Ngaos and Wishemis, we have been together, over many years, both in the social as well as in the political world. And by the way, there is a group that was not represented here that I want to represent, even though they have not sent me. Otherwise known as Kagumo High School boys. Because I am, you see, they're already raising their hands. Adwa Kagumo, hands up. You see, there is quite a, Pigieni makofi watu wa Kagumo High School tafadhali. You can see they have come here in large numbers indeed, including Jeff Mahinda, Engineer Kimani Gasha, and the younger ones that I don't remember. But is to say that in fact, John Ngayo, who is the elder brother of Gerard, was actually my brother's classmate in Kagumo High School, as I remember. So that's why I'm saying that tumejuana kiasi uko mbeleni. Kwa hivyo ni lazima, na ingekuwa mbaya kama singekuja kulete lambi zangu kibinafsi, na pia vile familia yangu na Kagumo Old Boys ambao wako hapa na wale hawako hapa. It's a school we are proud of. And the funny thing, and that's where I come to Gerard, is that Gerard left Kagumo High School, came to Kagumo High School after I had left Kagumo High School. And in Kagumo High School, we knew each other with the number. What is your school number? Mine was 3485. And I can tell you, these guys can tell you. Yago John ilikuwa ngapi? 4055 was John. Now, the reason why I am talking about this number is because it is said when you went to the school. So when Gerard was with me, you'd always talk about being Kagumo Old Boys. That's how we would identify ourselves. And I would ask him, Gerard, inaba yaku ya alishigana. Eto tutigagituike twali hamwe chukuru hede mwe. Because Gerard had this knack. I used to call him Ngayo, never Gerard. He had this knack of cross-generational friendships. He would have a very old friend, a very young friend, and in between. And I think you all witnessed that in his life. When his nephews and nieces were talking here, I could see it. And it is indeed, he was a bubbly guy, a happy man. You never saw Ngayo looking annoyed, distressed, or otherwise. If there is a guy I could call stress-free, you know, Adora Mali, stress-free guys, you know, Ngayo was one of them. And he has been one of them. And therefore, to the family, we are here to tell you that we mourn with you, we celebrate with you, we remember Gerard as you do. We cannot really feel the pain as you will, but we can empathize with you as you do so. And to Ngayo, the son, you should be very, very proud of your father, as you said. And I know you will. But more importantly, is for you to make him proud wherever he is. That's really your call now. And I have no doubt that with the kind of backup that you have got in your family, because one of the things we have seen here is the unity of the Ngayo family. And when you are like that, when you have got a family like that, that you can fall back on, I have absolutely no doubt that you'll make your father proud and your mother proud. From wherever they are, they will know that they indeed brought up a good son. And I have no doubt. Namuige mahoya ine. Idetu wadwa ihururu. Tuige Ngayo mahoya ine, nigetha nake Ngai athie na mbere na kumurathima na kumuhe hinya na kumutua taithe mundu murume mugima. Nigetha nake akahota kurera family yake na arere maina wake uria nake Ngayo uria ararerirwo ni ithe. We look forward to someday also you having your own maina. Tukuhoera muriu. Atondirona haha kuri na regi no agire mutimia. Anyway, icio nturiaria thutha-ine. So thank you very much Alice for coordinating us, for being there with us. As Mheshimiwa Miano said, we in the government, you know, have also got our own systems and who we go to when we want to be coordinated. And between the two ladies you are seeing here, they are the ones who actually coordinate us. When you can't get the telephone number of another cabinet secretary, you call Miano, kamulia we tadumira namba ya Davis chill. Parabara chitu itirira thodeko, toa itumiro. And therefore, that is all I am going to say. I want to read the eulogy of my boss. But before I do so, because once I finish, I won't say anything, I want to thank him. Nyodo awero oria aheire, wako murutira wira inywe. When I was appointed to this position, he said to me that I want you to go, ogere muone kuria kugi guotheri. Ndugithio thondekere andu a Nyeri majani na kahua. Na ari bei ya kahua ikiamba mbate, na bei ya majani ya mbate. That's what I was told. And to that extent, I can tell you, the Nyeri people, that I will not let you down. Ni wiroya datumirwo ni nguruta. Na ndimwire kaundu kangi kanini. Here we don't talk politics because kuri kundu andu mathiaga mathiko ma politics, ithu tuthiaga mathiko ma politics. No njuge atiriri, Mugikuyu aciarirwo ari mundu mugi. Mugikuyu aciarirwo ari mundu mugi. And those of you who don't understand my French, you are not intended to understand. Mugikuyu aciarirwo ari ki? Mundu mugi. Na ndaciarirwo ari mundu wa kurugaruga. Aciarirwo ari mundu mugi wa guthurania maundu na kurora haha ikaire atia na haha ikaire atia. Ithue utongoria-ini gutiri hingo tuthiaga utongoria ati ni undu wa wendani. Utongoria ti uhiki ati ndukuhikania. Tuli hamwe? Utongoria ni kindu gitagwo interest. Ati akorwo ni hau Alice arauga ri, barabara ici ni tuguciona kana gutiguciona. Njira iria tungiciona ni njira iriku. Akorwo ni njira A, hau niho tuguthiira. Akorwo ni njira B, hau niho tuguthiira. Na kaba kindu kiri njara, kaba nyoni iri njara, handu ha nyoni iri ki? ĩrĩ gĩthaka tũrĩ hamwe andũ aitũ nĩ mũranjigua ũrĩa ndĩramwĩra niĩ ndiramwĩra mũthiĩ ũũ kana mũthiĩ ũũ kana mũthiĩ ndiramwĩra A B kana C ndiramwĩra Mugikuyu aciarirwo nĩ mũndũ mwĩku atĩa mũũgĩ atĩ mũndũ mwĩku atĩa harĩ Mugikuyu mũritu haha aya andũ aitũ ndĩmũthomere rũgano. So this is a condolence message from His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, PhD, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, to the family of the late Gerard Maina Ngayo. Today, we are with the family, relatives, friends, and the people of Teto to bid farewell to Gerard Maina Ngayo. This is a sad time for his family and for everyone who knew him. He was a man who got along with people easily. He was warm and always helped those around him. The people who spent time with Gerard remember him as a man who valued his friends, respected others, and behaved with dignity. Gerard's life is a story of work and determination. He worked hard to be successful. Gerard never forgot where he came from and stayed connected to his roots. His life reminds us that our country is strong because of people who work hard, take care of their families, and help those around them. To the Ngayo family, the people of Mohoyas, and all the friends who are here today, I offer my condolences. May Gerard's soul rest in peace. Signed, William Samoei Ruto, PhD, President of the Republic of Kenya, on the 5th of March, 2026. Mwathani arohurukia Gerard kihuruko gitathiraga.
Thank you so much for those nice tributes. It's good to remember our dear ones in that way because it is part of healing. This ministry of presence is required, and all the messages of comfort from far and wide, and for those who have been able to be here, we really appreciate as people of this place. I told you that at exactly 3 thereabout, heavens can open. And therefore, with the powers that I have as the MC, I have cut any further speech. And therefore, I'm going to return this mic to the church now, and I can tell you this is a very progressive church because after they have done the preaching, you will know. Thank you so much, CS Kagwe, for telling us about tea and coffee. We need our people to be uplifted so that they can buy cars, so that PS Wachira can have work. We have only 2 filling stations which do not have a name here. We have tried, isn't it? We want them to be big because that our people are getting what is expected to earn from their hard work. Madam C.S. Miano, I forgot to tell you, sorry for this, that Dedan Kimathi was actually shot somewhere here, not very far, and that once the Mau Mau roads are done, from here it will be 2 minutes. I don't know how, when we go out to other places of the world, the heroes are recognized, and we need to see what we can do so that this Mount Kenya circuit, which PS Wachira knows very well, and we need tourism back in this place. All right, and also you know that Professor Wangari Maathai, who fought for the environment, is also from this region. Good. I want to return the mic to the pastors. Please, I'm so sorry. I know we had a lot of presentations from local musicians, others from local, international, but please, in the interest of time, please, we are not going to do it here because P.S. Washira did one, and that takes care of that particular community. Pastor Eric.
Thank you so much, our MC.